Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. I hope so. My voice is audible to all of you. This session is very much important in which we are doing the questions of Module C. And Module C, that is one of the most important part of this, okay? So before starting this session, I would like to say you that our victory batch, okay, this is our new English medium victory batch, which is going to be start from 13th of February. Okay, it's me, okay, Advocate Nikita Singh. I will teach you the BRBL subject. Vishal sir, he will teach you BFM subject and ABM subject. So Prabha ma'am will also teach the half portion of ABM, and your ABFM subject will teach by Niharika ma'am. So we are the four mentors that will teach you the compulsory subject of your CIB, and the batch will be start from 13th February. There will be a live class, okay? If you are not able to see the live class, you can see the recorded session also. Done. Live class, recorded session. Then you can see the mock paper. You can see the chapter wise question that the teacher will give you. So these are the things, okay, that we will provide in this victory bash. But there will be no, the subjective one. For the subjective one, you have to either take it as a separate, or you can just take it in a CIB ka Mahapack. If you just enroll in the CIB ka Mahapack, you will get everything. But in this victory batch, you will just, for this one, allow to see the classes of four compulsory subject. So that's why this is very much important for the examination point of view also. Okay, now, so today we are going to do the questions of tax law. If we see the tax law in our this one book, so we have to study about the income tax, we have to study about the PAN card, we have to study about the GST and commodity transaction tax. So there are four concepts that is involved in the tax law. Okay, let's start the question. First of all, I would like to share some definition of this act, and then after we will do the questions. First of all, the definition of income tax. So income tax is the tax charged on the annual income of the individual or business earned in the financial year. Suppose if I talk about the financial year of 2024, so the previous year that will count as a financial year. So income tax, that is a tax charged on the annual income of the individual and the business earned in the financial year. The income tax system in India is governed by Income Tax Act 1961. So it may be possible that you have to learn the Act, Income Tax Act 1961. Okay, which lay down out the rules and regulations of the income tax calculation, assessment, and the collection. Is that okay? So this is the definition of income tax. Now, what is GST? Because these are the important terms that is involved in the tax law. So GST, the full form is Goods and Services Tax. So whatever we just bought the goods and avail the services, so for that thing we have to pay the tax. So this is the indirect tax which has replaced many indirect tax in India, such as excise duty, VAT, service tax. So in the previous days, we are just paying these tax, but right now we do not have to pay these tax. So GST come into picture in the 1st July 2017. Okay, so you have to learn this one. So there are so many things that's involved in the GST. Now, what is PAN? It is the 10-digit alphanumerical identification number. Okay, both include alphabet and numbers issued to Indians, those person who pay the tax. So this is the simple definition of the term, that is tax. All tax related information of a person is recorded against a single PAN number which serve as a primary key for information the storage. No two person and the tax paying business have a same PAN number. It means the different person have a different PAN number. Okay, now let's do the question. First, income tax is imposed by state government, central government, both of the above, or Constitution of India. Consti, that is also known as a father of law. Constitution of India is a law book, okay, and that is known as the father of law. Every law have to follow this thing. Tell me, class, what will be the right answer? Yes, income tax is imposed by which authority? That is good question. Do not forget to like the session, share the session as much as possible. Yes, tell me. It is imposed by state government, central government, both of the above, and the Constitution of India. Which of the following is the right one? So class, always remember that the income tax is, imposed by the Constitution of India. So this is the book which is known as the father of law. That is a law book. Okay. So the power of government, what is the right and duties that is given to the people. So everything, that is defined in the Constitution of India. So in the Act also, just like SURFACI Act and DRT Act, you have already seen that whether the SURFACI Act is valid or not, DRT Act is valid or not. So they have to follow the rules and regulations under the Constitution of India. So that's why this act is very, very much important. Okay. So for the first thing, the right answer will be D. Okay. Now, Parliament has power to levy the tax on incomes other than exempt incomes, income of poor people, agriculture income, or all incomes are taxable. Tell me, what will be the right answer? These questions are very, very much important. For the detailed study, you have to take the one paid batch. Yes, class, tell me. The Parliament has power to levy tax on incomes other than, that is the agriculture income. Okay, on that thing, Parliament cannot take the income. So this is the right answer. Okay, at least just give me the reply, class. Which entry of union list give the power to Parliament to levy tax on the income? So what exactly this act want to say that? See, in India, there are three lists. Union list, state list, and this is the concurrent list. List means the subject matter. What is list? List means the subject matter. Okay. So in the union list, only the central government have a power to make a law. In the state list, state government have power to make a law. And in concurrent list, both state and central government have power to make a law. So which entry in the union list gives power of parliament to levy the tax on the income? It is entry 81 of the list 1 of the 7th schedule. We are talking, these things are given in the Constitution of India. That's why in the previous question also we have done that the income tax will be imposed by the Constitution of India. So under which schedule it was given? That is very good question. That is very good question. So see class, List 1 always of union list. List 2 state list. So we know that state list cannot be the subject matter because list 2 is this one. This is list 1, list 2, and this is list 3. So list 1 cannot be the right answer. List 2 is cannot be the right answer. Okay. So we have to remove B and C. Now A and C. A and C. So in this case, the right answer will be C is the right answer. Okay, C will be the right answer for this question. Okay, now highest administrative authority for income tax is what? What's the name? Finance Minister, CBDT, President of India, Director of Income Tax. Tell me. Central Board of Direct Taxation. This is the name of CBDT. Yes, class, tell me. What is the right answer? The right answer will be Central Board of Direct Taxation. That is the highest administrative authority. Okay. Now, income tax applies to whole of India excluding Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra, or all of the above. Fifth, income tax applied to whole of India excluding Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra, or all of the above. So, the right answer will be exactly, Meera ma'am. Excellent. That is A is the right answer. Good ma'am. Now, the basic source of income tax law is what? Basic source. Income Tax Act 1961, Income Tax Rule 1962, Circular Notification, or the Judgment of Court. What is the right answer? The basic source of income tax is what, ma'am? Income Tax Act 1961, Income Tax Rule, Circular and Notification, Judgment of the Court. What is the right answer? For this thing, the right answer will be, that is very easy, Income Tax Act 1961. Okay, A is the right answer. Now, Finance Bill becomes the Finance Act when it is passed by Lok Sabha, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both House of Parliament signed by President, both House of Parliament signed by the Prime Minister. Tell me. See, when any bill is there, bill is that is a law. So bill have to pass by the, suppose if it is a of the national law. It have to be passed by the Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha plus when President will sign, then it become an act. Okay, so Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President. So these are the three authority. When they will approve, then the bill become act. So same thing, the finance will become the finance act. So before act, always we call it bill. So when it is passed by the both House of Parliament and signed by the President. So this is the right answer. Is that okay? This is the right answer for this question. This is for any bill. Now, as per section 2 clause 7, assesses means a person by whom any tax other sum of money is payable, against whom proceeding has been taken under the act, a person deemed to be assessee in default, or all of the above. What is the right answer? SSC class. So here, SSC is basically D. This is the right answer. Okay. Person include individual, firm, company, Hindu undivided family, or all of the above. Ninth one. Tell me, class. A person. Person means individual. It's a partnership for company, Hindu undivided family, all of the above. What will be the right answer? The right answer will be D. Okay, D is the right answer. Now, person include registered firm, unregistered firm, both A and B, none of the above. We know that, see, if we talk about the partnership firm, so we know that it have an optional to be registered or not registered. If it is registered, then they can easily go to the bank for any loan. But if it is not registered, they cannot pay. So in the partnership format, it is also the optional part. So what is the right answer for this one? So here the right answer will be, that is both A and B is the right answer. Okay, both A and B will be the right answer, because in this question only the person they are asking. They're not asking that which particular firm the bank will appreciate or not. No. So person, it includes registered and unregistered firm, just like this question. Firm. So this is registered or unregistered, both will include in this B point. Okay, so I hope so you people like the question. That is very important for the examination point of view. Done, class? So that's all for today's class. So this is your victory badge. Do not forget to enroll in this victory batch. If you want to enroll now, I'm giving you the way in which you can easily, this one. Google Chrome is there. Just click Adda 24/7. All courses, JIB CIB. This is JIB June 2024. Okay. Click on this one. You can see in the third one, victory batch is there. So see, victory batch. If I will show you the study plan now. See, this is your BRBL study plan. Is that okay? This is your BRBL study plan. Okay. See, 31st March, that is the last day of this one. Okay. 31st March. After that, your ABM Niharika ma'am will teach you. The timing is 7 to 8:30 a.m. Okay. The batch will be finished at 16th of May. That is important. ABM subject, Suprabha will teach 8 to 9. Okay. So this is the batch. So if you want to apply, click Y391, click on apply. See, 79% discount is there. What is this? 79% discount is there. And if you want 1% more discount, just download the Adda app in the mobile. Through mobile, just purchase it. You will get 80% discount. So 5039 is the basic price of this batch. Okay. And if you want to click on the Mahapack, DV is going on, double validity. It means if you just click on, if you purchase right now, you will get the discount up to 80% and for the 1 year. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Thank you so much.